A warm welcome from sunny South Africa. This first project I'm submitting is Collateral Rust. I used the 6x6 book to make all these, and there's also the bookcases that goes with these mini books, and you'll see them in the video and the photos. So this video is only to show you the mini books. What I've done is these beautiful vintage type, the paper. Can I just say the paper is absolutely magnificent, and I've put little glass beads on, and this one I had to close with and these bulldog clips, the mini ones, because it's hanging open. This is like a mini junk journal. The idea of these books, I'm just going to move these aside first so that you can have a look at the one book at a time. I've used some mesh, some wire mesh, and then I made mini junk journals. You can see the different pages. I've used some of the pattern paper in the journal pages, others are old dictionary pages and tea stained paper, and from old textbooks. There's 4 signatures in a book, you can see them, and I've used some metal embellishments. I've raided my husband's workshop and the stitching, the binding. So the idea of these books is I'm writing little journals to both my sons. That's why there's 6 books in 2 bookcases. This paper is just absolutely magnificent. These are all doorknobs that I've used. I hope you can see exactly what's going on. This one is a mini album. There's no photos in yet. What will happen in these mini books journals will be very personal and private, because these are letters to my sons. But there will be, this is a tuck spot. There will be my favorite photos of them will be in here. There's a pocket. Then of course another pocket, and these are mini tags that you can pull out and put photos on. Okay, so this will be the mini album. Then I have the other journal. This is for the second set. This consists also of 4 signatures. This is just normal journal pages for writing. This will be a letter to my son. This will be about love and marriage. This will be about children. And this little one here is for my future daughter-in-law. They're both at the age where they can get married, but just in case, I want to write these letters before they even meet the future wife. So it is 2 sets of 3 books, all very vintagey decorated. This is the other set mini album, the second set. And of course the bus stop. This is mixed media. You'll see on the instruction videos, these are the 4 signatures with the very personal letters that will be inside. And last but not least is the 6th one. Also a mini junk journal. So it will be free. Free in a set. And then of course free in a set. Thank you for watching.